know him then you know how hairy he is, right? Well, when they pulled the tape off, a lot of hair and some skin came off with it. You know, the bizarre thing is I did it for my father. He's always going off about when he was in school and all the wild things he used to do. And I got the feeling that he was disappointed that I never let loose on anyone. So there I am in the locker room, tapping my knee. And there's Larry, undressing a couple lockers down. And I started thinking about my father. His attitude about weakness. And Larry, he's a skinny guy. Weakness. So the next thing I know, I'm on top of him, and I'm wailing on him. My friends, they come around and cheer and laugh me on. When I was in Vernon's office, all I could think about was Larry's father. And Larry having to go home and explain what happened. The fucking humiliation he must have felt. Must have been How do you apologize for something like that? I mean, it's all because of me and my old man. Fucking hate him. He's like this mindless machine I can't even relate to anymore.